It's hard to believe that something as ordinary as baking soda, the same white powder sitting quietly in your kitchen cabinet, could hold remarkable healing powers. Yet, for generations, people around the world have turned to this humble household ingredient for more than just baking or cleaning. When mixed with water and taken at the right time, particularly at night, baking soda becomes more than a remedy. It becomes a natural reset button for your body. For 7 days, this simple nightly ritual can do wonders, from easing digestion and balancing pH levels to detoxifying the body, supporting kidney function, and even reducing inflammation. It's not a miracle potion, but it comes close. Beneath its plain appearance lies the science of balance, restoring what modern diets and stress often disrupt. Stay with me, because in this video, you'll discover what happens to your body when you drink baking soda water every night for 7 days. And by the end, you'll see why many people around the world are starting to make this part of their nightly routine. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on life-changing health insights like this one. Let's begin. What exactly is baking soda water? Baking soda, known chemically as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural compound that has been used for centuries as a household remedy. When you mix a teaspoon of it with a glass of water, it forms a mildly alkaline solution that can help neutralize excess acids in your body. This property, its ability to balance pH, is the foundation of its many benefits. In your body, acidity is not always bad. However, when acid levels rise beyond normal, it can contribute to a wide range of issues, from indigestion and acid reflux to inflammation and fatigue. Baking soda acts as a buffer, gently restoring balance without causing harm or overcorrection. It's like hitting a reset switch for your internal environment. The power of nighttime, why timing matters. Taking baking soda water at night enhances its benefits in unique ways. When you sleep, your body focuses on repair, detoxification, and balance. The organs that cleanse and restore, your kidneys, liver, and digestive system, are most active during this time. Drinking baking soda water before bed helps create the ideal internal environment for these organs to function optimally. Moreover, nighttime consumption gives your body several hours without interference from meals or activity. This allows the alkalinity of baking soda to work more effectively, neutralizing excess acid and flushing out toxins that build up throughout the day. Many people report waking up feeling lighter, more refreshed, and less bloated after a few days of consistent nighttime use. So, what happens when you drink a glass of baking soda water every night for 7 days? Let's find out day by day. Day 1. The first sip of balance. Your first glass of baking soda water feels almost too simple to matter. Just half a teaspoon dissolved in a glass of warm water before bed. Yet, beneath that simplicity, something profound begins. As the solution enters your system, it immediately starts to neutralize excess acid in your stomach. If you've been suffering from acid reflux, indigestion, or bloating, you may notice the difference even on the first night. That burning sensation after meals starts to fade, replaced by a gentle calm. While you sleep, your stomach rests in a less acidic environment, and your digestive tract begins its quiet repair. You might wake up feeling lighter and less sluggish, the first sign that your internal chemistry is shifting back toward balance. Day 2. The gut reset begins. By the second night, your digestive system is beginning to adapt. The alkalinity from the baking soda helps restore a more neutral pH in your stomach and intestines, which is essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. You may notice that your stomach feels flatter or that you're less gassy or bloated than usual. That's because your gut is no longer battling excess acid. It's finding its natural rhythm again. As this continues, your gut bacteria begin to thrive in the healthier environment you're creating. A balanced gut doesn't just help digestion. It strengthens immunity, supports mood regulation, and enhances overall vitality. By the end of day 2, your digestive tract is already thanking you. Day 3, a gentle detox takes hold. Now that your digestive system is stabilizing, your kidneys start to benefit from your nightly habit. Baking soda supports their ability to flush acids and toxins more efficiently, As acidity in the blood drops slightly, your kidneys can filter waste with less strain. You might notice an increase in urination. That's normal and a good sign. Your body is releasing stored acids and impurities that have been building up silently over time. This gentle detoxification process also helps your skin begin to clear and your energy levels to rise. When your kidneys and liver don't have to fight through layers of acidity, your whole body feels lighter. By the end of day 3, you're cleansing from the inside out. Day 4, inflammation starts to calm. As your internal environment becomes more alkaline, something beautiful begins to happen. Inflammation starts to subside. Chronic acidity is one of the major drivers of inflammation in the body, which contributes to conditions like arthritis, muscle pain, and fatigue. The sodium bicarbonate in baking soda works like a quiet mediator, signaling your immune system to calm unnecessary inflammatory responses. If you have joint pain, body aches, or stiffness in the morning, this is when you might start noticing subtle relief. By day 4, many people report sleeping better and waking up without that dull, heavy feeling in their limbs. It's the kind of lightness that doesn't come from exercise or diet alone. It comes from cellular balance. Day 5, the body's filters get stronger. By now, your body's main filters, your kidneys and liver, are fully benefiting from the nightly routine. Baking soda reduces acid buildup, preventing the formation of kidney stones and helping your liver process toxins more effectively. The blood flowing through these organs is cleaner and less burdened by metabolic waste. Your body's natural filtration system is working with ease. This cleansing effect extends beyond the organs themselves. You may notice your breath smells fresher, your skin looks clearer, and your energy feels smoother. Not the jittery kind, but calm vitality. Day 5 marks a powerful turning point. Your internal reset is now in motion. Day 6, deep cellular healing and hydration. At this point, the benefits of baking soda water have reached a cellular level. Sodium bicarbonate helps maintain electrolyte balance, ensuring your cells stay properly hydrated and function optimally. Your body's fluids, blood, lymph, and intercellular fluids, rely on the right balance of sodium, potassium, and other minerals to transport nutrients and flush waste. Baking soda supports this process naturally. During the 6th night, your muscles and nerves begin to relax, allowing you to sleep more deeply. If you tend to wake up tired or stiff, you might be surprised at how refreshed you feel in the morning. That's because your body is finally repairing efficiently, not fighting against internal acidity. Day 7, the body restored and renewed. By the 7th night, something remarkable happens. Your body finds equilibrium. What started as a simple nightly drink has now subtly influenced every system in your body. Your digestion is smoother, your sleep is deeper, and your inflammation is lower. Your kidneys are filtering waste effectively, and your blood feels cleaner and more oxygen-rich. Most importantly, your pH balance is stable, the foundation of lasting health. You've essentially helped your body hit a reset button. People often describe waking up on the 7th morning feeling lighter, clearer-headed, and more energized. The difference isn't magic, it's chemistry working in harmony with nature. Beyond 7 days, the long-term power of alkaline balance. You don't have to stop after 7 days, though even 1 week can make a noticeable difference. When used responsibly, baking soda water can be part of a long-term wellness ritual taken a few times a week. Over time, it continues to support the kidneys, reduce acid buildup, prevent bloating, and enhance hydration. It's especially beneficial for people dealing with heartburn, mild joint inflammation, or fatigue caused by acidity. However, moderation is key. Too much baking soda can raise sodium levels unnecessarily, so always stick to a small amount, about a half teaspoon in a glass of warm water, and avoid overuse. How to take baking soda water properly. To prepare your nightly health tonic. 1. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, food grade, into a glass of warm water. 2. Stir until completely dissolved. 3. Drink it about 1 hour before bed on an empty stomach. Avoid consuming right after heavy meals, as it can interfere with natural stomach acid needed for digestion. If you're on medication or have hypertension, consult your doctor first, since baking soda adds sodium to the body. In a world filled with complex health hacks and expensive supplements, it's refreshing to rediscover that true healing can be simple. A teaspoon of baking soda, a glass of warm water, and 7 nights of consistency can help your body restore the balance it's been craving. It won't perform miracles overnight, but over time, it can quietly rebalance, cleanse, and revitalize you from the inside out. The real magic of baking soda water lies in its humility. It doesn't advertise, it doesn't promise quick fixes. It simply restores the balance your body was designed to maintain all along. So tonight, pour yourself a glass and take that first sip. Your body will know exactly what to do. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos that help you live a healthier, more balanced life. Until next time, stay balanced, stay healthy, and keep living perceptively.